so we've talked about a consumer being equal to a customer, right? And a good customer or good shopper is somebody that looks for the best deals, looks for good quality in things, and has to consider what we call the unit price, right? Excuse me. Sit. Okay, so we've got a unit price. When we look at the word unit, do you think about one or more than one? One, right? So there's one unit, just one right there. So in this particular case, we've got a 10-pound bag of potatoes that cost $5. So I've got money and the pounds of potato. I'm going to make a rate table here. So it's a 10-pound bag of potatoes, costs $5 each. And I put this into a per situation when we think about rate right there. Yes, sir. Good. $5 per 10 pounds, or 10 pounds per every $5 you spend, right? Good. I'm actually, so the unit cost of 1 pound then, how do I figure that out? If we've got $5 per 10 pounds, how can I figure out what each pound is? What are you thinking? Oh, guys, so you're noticing the relationship here. 10 pounds is, it's looking like divided by 2, right? Equals 5. So you're taking 1 pound, following that same rate. And we're taking 1 divided by 2. When we think about money, we've got $1 whole, 1/2 of $1, which was how much, Missy? 50 cents, right? Good, good. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, so we're going to continue practicing that a little bit in our math journals, but I'll show you a few more of those. Okay, in this next one, we've got a package of 6 pens. And it cost $4.20. The unit price is the cost of 1 pen, right? What do I know right now? Yes. Good. 6 pens is $4.20. So I've got my money and my pens right here. What's the relationship between these two? How can I figure out what just 1 pen cost, our unit price? What's your plan?
You could divide it by 7 because 6 times 7 is 42.
You're noticing a relationship. You're saying 6 times 7 equals 42, right? How many pens do I have right here? 6, right? So if I take my pens and I break this up into 6, if you will, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, check my total, and I just wanted to find out what 1/6 of it was. What's 1/6 of 42? or 42 divided by 6? Yes, sir. 7, and that's how that got into your head. You knew that 6 times 7 was 42. So is it going to be $7? Does that make sense? No. 6 times what is going to equal $4.20? Yes, sir. 70 cents. That's right, or 7 cents, 70 cents. Excellent, excellent job. Kind of thinking about determining where that decimal goes and whether it's reasonable, right? Awesome. We'll do one more and I'll give you guys a chance in your notebooks. So this time I've got a dozen bagels. And how many is in a dozen, guys?
12.
12. Good. Dozen bagels cost $3.60. The unit price will be the cost of one bagel. So what do I know right now? A dozen bagels cost $3.60. You're right. So we've got bagels, and we've got 12 of them, right? That cost $3.60 or money right here. So if I've got my whole here is 12, and I want to find out what 1/12 of $3.60 is. What is my number sentence to solve that? Just give me the number sentence first. I want to know the number sentence, friends. 36 divided by 12. So let's think about that. $3.60 divided by 12. I got to put my decimal where it belongs. So this is really like, I could round this to 4/12 right here, 4/12. So is my number going to be greater than or less than 1? 4/12 is less than 1, right? So you could be less than a half too, because 6/12 would be a half. So that tells us reasonably where that decimal should go. So if I do 36 divided by 12, what'd you get, Mr. Max? You got 3. $30 cents right there is equal to 1. How could I check that answer with multiplication? Yes. That's right. And when you did 360 divided by 12, you would have gotten 30, right? And when then still we want to put our decimal where it makes sense based off of our ballpark estimate right here, right? Still would be the same. But again, friends, how can I check my answer with multiplication? Yes. I can do 30 cents times 12, and what should it equal? $3.60. That's right. That's right. All right. Let's go ahead and practice some of these in our journal. We can say goodbye.